Explore all avenues to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today is to explore all avenues. This idiom's been around since it appeared. It's been around since the early 20th century, but it appeared in the Saturday Review in 1926 in the format and the meaning that it is today. It basically means before you start anything, before you start anything new, before you start a project, make sure you do your due diligence, do your homework, investigate, ask questions, do your research, figure out what is the best course of action before you start taking action. Now, it doesn't mean we do analysis and it paralyzes us and we don't take action. It means that we don't just randomly throw spaghetti on the wall to think that we're going to get anything accomplished or to get our goals accomplished. Now, we're talking about goals in this year's annual challenge. It's Get Your Goals annual challenge. And every day we're talking about goals, goal setting, goals, tools, different strategies and tips and ways to get what we want and then make getting what we want automatic. And it turns out our topic today is about writing down your goals and the critical nature of writing down your goals. The most recent scientific study, and it was by Dr. I already forgot her name, but 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. So if I have an increased 42% chance of doing anything in my business, I'm absolutely positively going to write down my goals and my plans and my vision and my purpose and my principles and share with everybody what it is that we're trying to accomplish. And that will give us a 42% better chance of accomplishing it than if we don't write it down. So why would we not write it down? It's amazing. Every week I talk to business owners that don't have written goals, don't have processes, don't have procedures, don't have systems, don't have budgets. I worked for a very large industrial bakery when I was in corporate America. And when I went to work for them, they did no budgeting. They were $100 million company. It was a privately held company that did no budgeting. And it was the first year when I started there that we started doing budgeting. And to me, that was kind of mind-blowing because a lot of things were out of control because there just wasn't a process or a system for doing it and handling it. So I'm curious, when you want to start something new or when you're doing something and you want to improve it, do you explore all avenues? Do you look at possible alternatives, a lot of possible alternatives, and look at them and analyze them? And if so, what do you do? What's your favorite tool for doing that? I have lots of different tools that I use for doing that. So I'm curious what you use. Share in the comments below so we can learn from one another. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you apply it to growing and building and supersizing your business right now? Have an awesome day.